In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print large letters on a single page or paper. This is a simple and practical method that works perfectly when you need oversized text for signs, labels, school projects, or visual displays. Everything can be done directly inside your WPS desktop application, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make your letters fill the page properly without overlapping or getting cut off. To begin, make sure your document is already open in WPS. The most important part of this process is adjusting the font size correctly so the letter fits neatly on a single page. Click on the text you want to enlarge, then go to the font size option. Instead of using small preset sizes, manually type in a much larger value. In most cases, setting the font size to around 1000 works very well. This size is large enough to fill the page while still staying within the printable area, which helps prevent parts of the letter from being cropped. After setting the font size, take a moment to look at how the letter appears on the page. If it looks slightly too big or too small, you can make small adjustments to the size until it feels balanced. The goal is to have the letter clearly visible and centered without touching the edges of the page. Once you are satisfied with how the text looks, it is time to prepare for printing. You can click the printer icon located at the top of the screen to move forward. Another helpful option is clicking the printer icon with the magnifying glass, which opens the print preview. This preview is very important because it lets you see exactly how the page will look when printed. Take this opportunity to confirm that the letter fits perfectly on a single page and that nothing is cut off. If you notice any issues in the preview, simply go back to the document and slightly adjust the font size or positioning. Checking the preview first can save paper and time, especially when printing large letters. When everything looks correct in the print preview, you can proceed with printing your document confidently. Your large letter should now appear clean, clear, and properly sized on one page. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.